Looking for the perfect Nigerian party jollof rice recipe? Well, welcome to Lina Scott TV. And here on Lina Scott TV, I teach you how to make delicious recipes in a snap. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell. Let's get cooking. Welcome back, guys. I'll start by showing you how I prepared my pepper mix. Now this pepper mix simply contains fresh tomatoes, fresh red bell peppers, also known as Tatashe, fresh Scotch bonnet, also known as Atarodo, some onions, garlic, ginger, bay leaf and thyme. Now what I did here is I soaked my pepper mix in vegetable oil. You can also soak in olive oil if you don't have vegetable oil. So I soaked this for about 4 days. You can do this between 3 to 10 days, and trust me, this will transform your party jollof rice. After soaking it up, I'm going to blend, and when you blend, your pepper mix will look like this. So the vegetable oil I used to soak my pepper mix is what I'll be using to make my party jollof rice. So after adding the vegetable oil in our pot, we add 1 chopped onion, give this a good mix and let it fry for about 5 minutes. When the onion is almost translucent, I'm going to add in my tomato paste. Then I'll let this tomato paste and the onion fry for about 5 more minutes. And now we're gonna be adding our pepper mix. That's our soaked pepper mix. You can see the color, how bright and beautiful it looks. That's because it has really soaked inside that vegetable oil for days, for 4 days actually. And this is what transformed this jollof rice. So right now I'm gonna be adding my chicken stock. This chicken stock was in my refrigerator, that's why it looks frozen. I'm gonna give this a good mix and then add my soaked bay leaves. Now my soaked bay leaves is in. I'm going to be adding my spice for jollof rice. This is a very good spice. It's called NORA jollof rice spice, and it is very good for my jollof rice. It transforms this dish and it also gives it a color. You can find this in any superstore near you if you're in Nigeria, or you can just opt for any jollof rice spice you see on your supermarket shelf. I also added curry, and I'm also gonna be adding some salt. I'm also gonna be adding chicken seasoning cubes. Now I'm gonna give this a very good mix. Guys, look at the color. This is what happens when you soak your pepper mix for days. You get this beautiful color. I'm going to cover this up and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. And when it begins to bubble, I'm going to be adding my washed long grain rice. You can use basmati for this recipe, but I like to use the long grain rice. Please ensure you wash the rice thoroughly. You want to get all the starch out because we are not parboiling. So after giving this a good mix, I'm going to cover up with aluminium foil and cook till it is soft. Now when the water is dried and you can see it looks soft, you're going to be adding butter. Now what butter does, it gives it an added flavor and this glossy smooth texture associated with the party Nigeria jollof rice. Trust me, this step is very important. I'm also going to be adding my onion rings, and then I'll cover this up and let it simmer on low heat. If it gets burnt at this point, don't worry, because party jollof rice needs that burnt part of it to become actual party jollof rice. So after 5 minutes, I'm gonna mix all this together. Guys, you can see my party jollof rice coming out nicely. This is so delicious. The aroma is amazing, the color, the texture, the smoothness. I mean, it is just so delicious. The aroma at this point is amazing. And there you have it, guys. Serve and enjoy. You can have this with plantains, you can have this with moi moi. I'm sure most of us know what moi moi is. You know what moi moi is? It's a bean cake. You can also have this with salad, with coleslaw. Jollof rice is so versatile. I love this dish. I hope you enjoyed this video like I did. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the like button so I know you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.